Hey guys, welcome to this channel, guys. So, guys, we discuss one of the best topic is called how we can generate website reach from Facebook. This is option how we can create. So, what is the contact form? How we can generate leads? Everything we can discuss here. Any particular Facebook page option, we have two things are very important. What are the ad you create? There will be show in Ad Center. First option. In Ad Center, there what are the ad you are designed, everything will be here. There is your view results option. When you click the results, how many reach, how many impression, cost per click charges, everything will show to the your particular ad center. So here every option will be there. We can come into the publishing tools. What are the publishing you are done? What is your lead generation form? That all will be checking for publishing tool option. So in the lead generation purpose, the option is called form library. What are the lead you generate? Click for preview. First you can download. This will be available by the only for 1 or 2 days. After that they will be expired. So if you want download, there's a no use. There is a option will be given. So here. So in this lead generation ad, how we can create? So first of all, select your ads manager. Click for create. In this create, steps are clearly follow. So very easy to create the lead generation from your website through your Facebook ads. Lead generate. This will be before adding the some options, but don't give any kind of options before ad creation. Click for continue. This ad where you can show so which platform will be support, we can check this. So here RTS by typing auction. This don't no need to check this option here. Click for next option. In this only we adding the campaign name. Next one. Here instant form, automated chat and calls. We have the three options. So here I'm generating lead generation through form. So compulsory will be click here. And we can come into the terms and condition also very important. So what are the page you select? Terms and condition is important. So page is not Arun Academy. This will be here. So this will be terms and condition will be accepted. If you're not done by terms and condition accepted, the lead generation form not accepted here. The terms and condition just one click, accept the terms and conditions. After that, if you need any kind of catalogs, product, web design development, nothing like that. Next budget. We can go budget will be 80 rupees also will be fine. Or 450 also check with. So here I'm give by 800. See this daily ad target budget 800 looks higher than usual. So we can go with the minimum starting for 73. They get so minimum will be 73.70 paisa. So I'll go with the 78 rupees. Here when I'm searching for 78 rupees, leads no guarantee. So I'll go with the 200 less than 10 leads. I go with the 400 6 to 18 leads. So they give some guarantee. So if you go with daily budget will be 400, I'll give the provide for the 6 to 18 leads. This will be reach. Reach will be not problem. If I'm give the budget less, reach will be to the reach audience, but leads will be less than 10, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, or less than 9 also, or less than 8 also. But less than 10 will be guaranteed. After this one, what is your target location? Throughout India. So now my target will be throughout India. Or else I can only specify my target or particular age people. I target up to my age people will be 45. but I'm not interested to target by total India. So we can target only for Hyderabad, specific all places. Suppose in Hyderabad, how much distance required? Up to 80 kilometers. Radius I'm created here. Then next, all gender here. Demographic target are looking for student target or employees. So which one you can target? I can target anyone. No need to add the option. Suppose you target only for digital marketing. That only interested people you can target. So that ad will be target will be interested people. Next, language, all language. I can go with the specific language. So here, zero leads. So why? Because your budget is not suitable for my option. So that is called they're showing here intimation. So if you go with the 400, no errors. Ad set many set get zero leads, but it will be not like that. Why? The location wise, you get the only for zero leads. Suppose I'm select India. 6 to 18 leads. If I'm selecting for Hyderabad, nothing to lead will be worked out. Suppose sorry, zero leads. So target wise, but reaching is important. You can create the reaching. So your target only for Hyderabad. So there is a potential will be there, 67 lakhs. Will be target will be here. So we'll check our audience will be only targeting for Hyderabad only. So that is the main link. Next one, your automated placements or manual placements. Placement nothing but where exact ad will be shown to customer. Facebook, audience network, Instagram. Messenger option not available. Why? Because if any ad will be shown to the customers, that only showing will be like this only. So the form will be created only for Facebook, Instagram, audience network. Any specific not required, go with the manual. Everything required, go with the automatical. So two thing option will be here. One more, ad creation time. This arrow always keep it on middle. There is a compulsory option. Anything you're wrong, they go into down or up. So compulsory middle is compulsory required. Next one, for lead cost control, I give only for 10 rupees. Complete, they can't show the my results. I give 100 rupees. They'll accept it, but zero leads. But I have to my target only for place is Hyderabad. No other option. Next, after this one, you have to final one is called form creation. Before form creation, the ad will be preview options, Instagram feed, Instagram stories, and Insta Explorer, search results, and these all options are here. Only video option not work. Video field will be not work. Only will be image field will be work. So here, next one. So page selected. So you are looking for single image or cursor. So I'm selecting with the cursor image. Select image. The cursor image is 1080 by 1080 or 500 by 500 as you wish. So which is compulsory important that will be create here. So what are the platform you want design? You can design by the option. So 500 by 500, 1000 by 1000. So these all options are valid by the points. So is not working, they will be not accepted. So yeah, but I'll go with only for single image ad, not for the multiple image. I'm not looking this. So that is called change media, upload option, select it. 10 placements. Primary test is compulsory important. Primary test, you can design them. Where is the primary test here? So that is my content. So obviously content you create by the based on options. description here, subscribe. I have to promote my channel. So I'll go with the subscribe. Apply now, book now, download now, get offer, everything. So I'll give one option will be sign up. Okay. Sign up will be contact form here. Create your own contact form. Existing contact form you can use. Create the new contact form also. So everything here. Add option. Here will be given primary test. Everything required is added here. So in this create a form. Form will be RTS class, more value, interaction, use image from your ad, headline. So headline will be use description. Here is the option, full name, email ID is there, just you can grab it, phone number, what are the information if you need, everything will be here. So what are the information required? We can add this option. State or the state or country, zip code, everything. So I'm adding only for full name, email and phone number. Privacy option. Here is the add link text. So your deep link, completion. Thank you for here. Thank you for contact us. We'll assist you soon. Here, can you visit our website? No. More details. Here, link. Click for publish. All I'm showing, this ad will be shown to the complete for 10 platforms: Instagram feed, Instagram stories, Instagram Explorer, Facebook search results, Facebook feed, Facebook instant article, Facebook instant video, Facebook video feeds, Facebook marketplace, Facebook stories. Total 10 places this ad will be shown to the customer. Finally, click will be publish option. So this is the form will be created. So once your form is created, the form will be shown to the customers. So date wise. So this is a compulsory will be click, and you can go with the publish option will be compulsory mandatory field. These are your particular option. Any questions you have required in the ad time, you can contact me in my channel. I definitely support. Lead generation through form will be received by the in the ad center publishing tools. Go to this and the option will call. Don't forget there's a publishing tool. That option is called form library. That we can go to the form library and check the your how many fill up the form, check it out and download this and call to the customers. This will be work out from your lead generation. Minimum budget go with more than 250 rupees per daily budget will be acceptable the particular Facebook ad. Any questions or query, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support. So further any query required to the contact to my WhatsApp chat, I'll definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.